In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a physical address to ActiveCampaign. Whether you're using ActiveCampaign for email marketing, CRM, or automation, having your physical address up to date is essential for compliance with email regulations and enhancing the professional image of your communications. So, let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials on the main page to access your dashboard. Once inside, you'll be greeted by a dashboard filled with a variety of options and useful features waiting for you to explore. Now direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. This is where you'll find the settings. Click on this gear icon to open up the settings menu. You might notice that ActiveCampaign frequently updates its interface, so if you're having trouble locating the gear icon, make sure you have the most recent version of the platform. But generally, it's in the lower left corner, easy to spot. Once you've clicked on the settings, you'll be presented with a menu. Depending on your version of ActiveCampaign, the exact naming might differ slightly. Sometimes it's labeled as addresses, and other times as account settings. Either way, they both serve the same purpose. Navigate through this menu and look for the option to manage your addresses. Alright, now it's time to add your new address. So, look for the button that says Add Address and give it a click. This is your cue to input the new business information. Start by filling in your company name. Make sure you spell it correctly as it appears on your official documents to ensure consistency across your communications. Next, move on to the street address and fill out this information as accurately as possible. It's important that this address matches any formal documentation you have, so double check for any typos or missed details. Continue by entering the city and state or province. Just like before, accuracy is key here. After this, input the postal code. Confirm that it's correct, as incorrect postal codes can lead to delivery issues or compliance errors in your mail campaigns. Lastly, don't forget to select your country from the drop-down list. Ensure this matches the rest of your address information. Once you've inputted all this information, take a moment to review everything. After confirming that all details are correct, be sure to click Save. This will update your address details on your account, making it ready for your marketing communications. And there you have it. Updating your physical address in ActiveCampaign is complete. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.